Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. Welcome back to chapter 5, which is how to edit presentation slide in Canva. Many students would like to use Canva to edit their presentation slide because they have to prepare presentation for their assignment. At first, open Canva on your device and you will be at the Canva main page. And you can choose the presentation template to edit. I have chosen the presentation template that I want to edit for my presentation. The template shows how many slides that you can edit. Just like when you edit the poster and videos in Canva, you can change the font and the size of the text in the slide presentation. You also can add transition to your presentation. Just like when you edit a video, there is a transition button that you can add transition to your presentation. After finishing editing the design or presentation, you can click share which on the top right of Canva. After clicking share, a pop-up to download or share with other people using the link will appear. If you want to download the presentation as PDF, just click download. After clicking download, another next pop-up appears which shows the last step before you download the design. If you want to stay the presentation in the Canva, just keep it and don't click the share button.